guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my February update for the Deck of Panning Project Pan. So if you want to hear everything we've been working on, what we're rolling in and rolling out, let's get on into it. So if you don't know anything about this project, it was created by Emily and Max, where you use a deck of cards to pick your prompts. It goes from January 20th to December 20th of this year. You were to start with 5 products, and it's rolling style. The Google Doc and game board will be listed in the description box, and prompt details, if needed, are also listed within that Google Doc. Face cards stay the same all year long. These are what the face cards look like this year. And the veto is randomly placed on the game board every month. The joker for Are You Joking Me is something that you really don't want to pan, but you also don't hate pan it. It's something that's a challenge, something you covet, something you save for a special occasion, etc. And then otherwise the game board's shuffled every month. So let's get into what I was working on previously, because we have 3 rollouts. So actually, let me also grab my highlighter of justice. So, for the King of Spades, which is a focus product, I brought in this Nude Sticks. It's the Nudies Tinted Blur Stick. And I have the shade Light 1. I wanted to finish this, and this is it rolled all the way up. That is actually the plastic. Let me see if I can scrapely sort of get you a swatch. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Ow. Ow. So there's it right there, if you can see it against my pasty skin. I enjoyed this formula. I didn't enjoy this shade. I've said that before. It was very, like, purpley. But I finished this in 5 uses, and that was on January 23rd. So, because, of course, I filmed my intro a little early. I'm filming this a little early. You know how that goes. But you will be seeing the weights on the screen, but I will be getting a new scale that can do, like, the decimal points, because it's very discouraging to not see as much progress on products than I feel like I could be. So I will be getting a new scale probably in 2 or 3 weeks, because Ian just got his job. And Valentine's Day, our anniversary and all that, he's going to let me place an order. So I'm going to get a new scale. But that's an empty and a prompt rolling out. Dun, 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 dun. So next we had King of Diamonds. So that was No Pan Left Behind. I figured I was already working on my Milani Ungilded Most Loved Mattes and another project for just one shadow. I figured I would No Pan Left Behind the whole palette. So I'm going to hold it back here so that you hopefully can't really see the progress. This is the shade I'm working on in my Pan Every Letter project pan. Pan the Alphabet. Gee, I could not remember what that was called for a moment. I think I'm really close to hitting pan, personally. But that shade's really starting to get hard pan. But I need to No Pan Left Behind the whole palette. Obviously, I've used this shade. And then I've used this orange. That's it. Listen, this one's probably going to be in for a hot minute, because I'm just using it, since it's an all matte palette, as an accompanying palette. But I've used 2 shades. I'm happy with that. Then we have the Jack of Hearts, and that was something indie. So I brought in my love+craft+beauty Beauty Wednesday palette, which looks like this. This is brand new to me. And I just wanted to create one look with it, which I have not done yet. Listen, I'm working on a lot of palettes. I say that every time. But that should be a rollout for next month. Shouldn't be a problem. To also be fair, I have been letting Ian pick my makeup every day for the last 2 weeks. And every time I pull that palette out, he's like, no, don't use that. I don't want that. So that's also on him. And next we have the 5 of clubs at that, which last month was spray. So I brought in this Laura Mercier. It's the translucent pure setting spray, 16 hours, invisible hydrating setting spray. Good Lord. So I wanted to use this 10 times. Got all 10 uses in January. I hit my goal on the 26th. So, 2 things. 1, going forward, my usage goal is going to be based on the card that I pulled. So if I get a 7 of hearts, it's going to be a 7 use goal. If I get a jack, that's 11, a queen is 12, a king is 13, an ace for me will be 14, unless, like, it says otherwise. You know, no pan left behind, finish, hit a pan, whatever. So after 10 uses, that got me to where that black line is. So I just decided on my own time to finish it. But I marked 10 uses got us all the way down to there. And this is only a little guy. It's only 1 ounce. 30 mils. So this went from, I was very happy with this. It went from 49 grams to 21 grams. So we got another empty. Didn't even mean to have another empty, but we got an empty. So we got another rollout. And then this one, I'm counting as a rollout, but listen, hear me out. This is for 10 of hearts, which at the time was dethroned. And this is the TYS Beauty Eyeshadow 101 Cream to Powder Eyeshadow Stick. These have dethroned my favorite eyeshadow stick, which was the About Face eyeshadow sticks. I actually decluttered mine because I love these so much. This one specifically is in the shade Desert. No, this one's Caramel Matte. It is the darker shade. That is what I have remaining in here. I tried to mark it on the cap, but it goes away. I do have nail polish now to try to help with that. But it's still at 11 grams, even after my 9 uses. So I had a 10 use goal on this. I used it 3 times in January, and I've used it 6 times in February. I'm gonna use it tomorrow and get my 10th use. So we're gonna count this as a rollout because I'm gonna get my 10th use tomorrow, and I promise you that. So, because it sits on my desk. It's not a problem. But I'm just saying it's at 9 uses. I want to roll something in for this. Doing the cards is the most fun part. And I already wrote it down to put on a sticky note in here that I've already rolled something in for it, so we won't do that next month. And that is a whole shebang shabooey. So, I'll have the board up for you guys. But I needed to go look at the board. And let's see. We're going to roll in 3 products. And we have cards this time. I need to show you guys. First, we're going to talk about cards. So Ian finally cleaned out the car because he started his job. So he found my cards. They're Star Wars cards because we're Star Wars fans in this house. My dad has had these for years, and he gave them to Ian as a Christmas present because my dad loves Ian a lot. Even though we're estranged now, my dad did, you know. So there are 2 decks in here, and I will explain. So these 3 are Jokers, and they're from the Villains deck because I wanted to explain. We have a Villains deck and a Heroes deck. The Heroes deck has no Jokers in it. I don't know why. I don't know if it was supposed to come with Jokers and it didn't, or what. So we're going to play with the Villains deck, at least for this one. And who do I want? I want these guys. These are the Jawas. So we're going to put this one Joker right in the middle. I'm going to keep these up so you can see me not finagling nothing. And then I'm going to shuffle. So while I shuffle, this will be on the board on the screen for you guys. So what would I like to get? I mean, fragrance would be nice because I just pulled in a fragrance onto my desk. I mean, matches nails would be cool. A veto card would honestly be nice. Creamer liquid would be fine. Cool tone, glowy. A concealer I kind of wouldn't want. I'm already trying to finish a concealer and an under eye brightener. Glittery would be cool. A primer would be nice because I'm currently only working on a pore filling primer, and like I do not want to have to smear that all over my face. Like the thought of that makes me want to die. I don't know what yummy is, but that would be interesting. Yeah. I think that was enough good shuffles. So we're just going to pull from the very top and see what we get. So the very first one is, what do we get? The 3 of Diamonds, and this is Bon Vindim. Yeah, I don't know who this guy is. He looks weird. So, 3 of Diamonds. 3 of Diamonds. And that is 1, 2, 3, fragrance! Cool. Well, I have the fragrance on my desk. So now I just have to figure out if I want to do just the 3-use goal or if I want to increase that. Next we have this guy. What are you? Elephant Mom. So you're an elephant. Alright. We have the 9 of Spades. And the 9 of Spades is metallic. 9 of Spades. Metallic. Okay. Ooh, I know what I'm going to bring in for that. Just got it. And the very last card. The Jack of Spades. And who are you? Bib Fortuna. You also look really weird. The Jack of Spades is mainstream. Alright. So, I'm gonna go find those products. And I'll be right back so we can swatch them, talk about them, and all of that. Just a moment. Alright, I actually made that super easy on myself, to be honest. So, for the 3 of Diamonds, that is fragrance. The fragrance that is currently sitting on my desk to be used up is the Bath & Body Works Leather and Brandy. So, cozy fragrance inspired by the comfort of a leather chair and the warmth of brandy. So, it smells really good. I also have coffee and whiskey, which I prefer, but again, I have 3 Bath & Body Works body mists left in my collection, and I want to get them used up. So I figured I would pull them out on my desk, and every time I come sit at my desk, and even right now, I'll just spray them. Spray them on me, so then if I want to put like an actual perfume on, I can layer it, because these don't last very long. They layer nicely. So I'm currently right to where the label is. I just want to use this till the next update, because either way, if I had put a 3-use goal, it'd be done the next update anyway. So we'll at least have one rollout for sure, but I'm just going to use this till the next update. We should see some weight usage change on this, so that'll be nice. It'll be on the screen what it currently weighs. But for metallic, the next 2 items I literally just got in my BoxyCharm. But I figure, might as well make some use out of things that are new and get my thoughts on them. So for the 9 of spades, that is metallic, and I'm bringing in this Rare Beauty shadow stick. This is in the shade Contentment. Right? Right? Do you not say? Yes, Contentment. And there we go. She's shiny. She's metallic. So I'm going to put a 9 use gold on this. It's going to also live on my desk. We'll see. And for the Jack of Spades, that is something mainstream. I'm going with this Tarte Amazonian Clay blush. This is in the shade Sensual. And it's a nudie orange blush. So, figure I just got both of those, and that'll have an 11 use goal on the blush. So, got 3 things rolling out, 3 things rolling in. That is going to do it for, all right, for this month's update. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know, did you prefer the cards being screenshotted and put online, like on the screen, or do you like the physical cards? Because I could do the cards online if you preferred how that looked, but otherwise we can do the cards in person. I'd love your feedback on that specifically. Otherwise, that's going to do it for this one's update in today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!